This leaves your house smelling good without flies, mosquitoes, and saving a lot. For our tip today, we will need 3 oranges. And in our orange at the bottom, we will take a small part and then cut in half, just like I'm doing this way. With this part of the base cut, we were able to keep the orange standing, and with the help of a tablespoon, we will remove all part of the orange from the inside. This part can consume. Normally, we will only use the peels that would be thrown in the trash. Now I will put the small part that we cut first. This to close the hole that was inside the orange. Already tell me if you've done homemade tips using orange in your home. Would love to know if you've done something like this to flavor your home and even to ward off insects. Now with the help of a plastic package, it can be a bag. Let's put some balls of naphthalene. And we will fold all our bag like this. And with a hammer, we beat until it turns into a powder. Now let's go back to our orange. And with a tablespoon, we will put coffee inside our orange until almost complete this way. And we will put the mothballs. We will divide between these 3 oranges. For each we will put equal amounts. Do not forget to make this tip in your home. And comments here what you thought. You will thank me after our tip today. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Brenda Kinney from South Carolina. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now we're going to use more coffee over naphthalene. People, this tip today. You will never again be bothered by mosquitoes and cockroaches in your home. I'm sure your whole family will love this tip. To scare off insects. To complete, we will need cloves. We will put a good amount on the edges of the coffee. The clove serves to give that very pleasant smell in your home. Only with the quantity of it in some corner is already able to change the smell of your environment. And to finish our house tip, we will need a candle. We will remove the wick from the candle, and we will separate into 3 pieces, which we will divide between the 3 oranges. To put the center in the cafe, I will open a space with the help of a knife. Once ready, we just need to light the candle. After burning, it will keep an action inside the coffee, and the smell that exudes through your home will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.